Oh, he's going to the hot tub too? Oh. Okay, I'll see you guys there in a sec.
Mines can be dangerous places, so walk slowly as you pass through.
Was this a dead end?
I feel like I'm walking into different people.
A red button. I'm not seeing any red buttons. Have you
I
guys?
can see you guys there. I can see that there. This is so confusing.
Guys,
It's got to be this way. Go slow.
I
Now, there's a mirror to your right. There's a mirror to your left. There's a mirror there. There's not a mirror here. This moves.
okay. Oh yes! Oh, this is where you go.
Oh, okay.
Red button.
Press the red button to start.
Okay. These beautiful notes are from our friend the canary. These birds were used to alert miners to the presence of dangerous gases. Let's figure out how to open the cage door. If the canary flies away, we'll know it's safe to explore. Play along with the bird song by pressing the keys as they light up.
Oh, wait. Don't press them until they light up.